All right, so other things that need to happen. Ryan, behind you, if you can turn around and look back. What's that big white thing called?
Ryan, right behind you.
What is this?
You remember?
Is it a sink or an oven?
There you go. Fantastic. That is right. So Mrs. Robinson already did us a favor, and she put our oven on to 350. There you go. And what we're going to end up doing with that is we're going to end up baking these. And then once it's done, it's 30 minutes. So we get to, if we were really fun, we could watch the magic thing go. So in my classroom on a regular basis, the kids earn awards, and when they win different awards, they turn around and they can make edible activities in the classroom. Well, Mrs. Robinson's kiddos were or will be in my class and have been in the past, and she said, oh, by the way, I'm looking for something that my kiddos can actually make as part of something that we serve to our staff. And I said, oh, I got the perfect recipe for you. Oh, okay. Well, I was challenged by some of the people that are in her classroom to make it and bring it in so we can test it out ahead of time, because we don't want anything, you know, garbagey. So I made it ahead of time, brought it in for them, so I passed that initial test, and then they said, well, now let's go to the next level. Let's see if you can cook it with kids. So the challenge was accepted, we accepted it, we did it, and now we've completed our task all the way around. As the STEM teacher or STEAM teacher, however you look at it, there's science in cooking, because let's be honest, just because it's in a cookbook doesn't mean it always turns out well. So we need to make sure that we watch our temperatures, so Elyria will be on the prowl and making sure that she's watching her timer for 30 minutes, and I'm sure she will make sure that Mrs. Robinson pulls it out at the right time. So the kids need to make sure that they're looking at the golden brown. Does it look like it's done? Does it need a little bit more time? And they can address those issues as it comes. This one is called an easy dump cake, and it's exactly what it was, because all you have to do is dump things together and add a little bit of butter and call it a day. All right, are you ready, darling?
Yeah.
Sweet. So ladies and gentlemen, we are going to do the easiest, I swear, the easiest thing that you'll be even able to make with moms and dads. I promise. Are you ready? Carter, you ready?
Hey.
Thumbs up?
I want to smell.
Thumbs up. Sweet. All right, so the first thing I'm going to ask you to do, real simple, shake it. Great. Okay, now, take the lid off. Okay, this is where it gets complicated. We're going to make sure, there we go, come on over here. I'll show you the first one, and then the second one's yours. So let go 1 second. We're going to do a spray. Spray of the entire pan. Your turn, this one. All the sides, all the edges. Whoop, wrong direction. There we go. Perfect, perfect. A little more on this side. Awesome, there we go. Hey, guess what? We got to tell Mrs. Robinson some bad news.
Oh, no.
She's going to need more cooking spray.
Okay.
But that's okay.
We can do that.
Guess what? Grocery list for next time. Next step, even easier. You ready? You grab a can, I grab a can. Come on over. Ready? It's going to get harder. It's going to get harder. 3, 2, 1. Drum.
This is so easy, Mr. Hamker.
It should be. Fantastic. Okay, now this is the hard part. We're going to throw those away. Get all the garbage out of the way. So they want us to practice math too. You want to practice math?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So here's what we're going to do. We have to take half of this can. Does that look half?
Oh, that looks like
That look
mac
good?
and cheese.
You tell me.
I think it looks half.
I think so too. Okay, so we're going to have you pour that one into that one. Fantastic. Whoa, okay. Got a little messy on that one. We have to be neat when we cook. Otherwise, guess what happens? You got to clean up the mess. Not Mr. Hamker. Nope. I can run back to my classroom and I don't have to be messy. Guess what? What's this for?
Rolling.
What am I rolling?
The pieces.
The peaches? Well, does it work?
I think.
Okay, I'm rolling. How come they're not getting smushy? Come on, how come they're not getting smushy?
You're smart enough.
You got it. What's wrong with this picture?
It can't fit.
There we go. So guess what? Are we going to need it this time?
Not the big one.
Not the big one. Good. So now we have our next step. You ready?
Yeah.
Easy, easy. Grab your box. Okay, bringing it over here. Take it out of the box. It's like a big secret. Now, this is the part that's tricky. We're going to see if you can actually do this well. So you're going to start at one end. Okay, sprinkle all the way to the other end. Wow, you're really good at this. Awesome job. Keep sprinkling, keep sprinkling, keep sprinkling, keep sprinkling. There you go. You're doing great. Good job. All right, make sure all the little last nooks and crannies are out of that bag. And then what do we do with our box and this?
Garbage.
Thank you. See, you're learning so well so fast. Good? All right. Now, you ready to practice? I'm gone, I'm gone. No, we're not supposed to do that. So here we go. We're going to spread this out.
I
Nice
think
and
I
easy.
could even make this, Mr. Hamker.
I hope so.
Oh my
I told you it was really that easy.
It really is.
What are you coming back to bake again?
What do you want me to come back to fix again?
Bake.
What?
Bake again.
Bake again? You want to do bake? Okay, we'll come up with something else.
Yeah, what are you, maybe a cookie or a...
Well, depending, we might even have some of my kids, depending on how they do with their lab this week, maybe some of them could come teach grilled cheese, or they're doing
I love
pizza
that.
things. So maybe we can get some, oh, sorry, I took your job, my bad. Go ahead and spread it out the rest way. Okay, so here's one little trick. You can't push too hard because all that lovely syrup that's down there is gonna go whoosh and go everywhere. And we don't want that to happen.
Can you move the pan?
Sure. Yep,
Scott?
sorry.
Thank you.
Oops. How you doing?
Good.
Good. Looks good. Can you do me a favor? Filling up that way a little bit.
Wow, Elyria.
You are doing fantastic there, dear. Awesome. Okay, now, go fix Mr. Hamker's oops. Make his nice and smooth like you did. Hey, not all of us can be perfect all the time. There you go.
What is he making?
What am I making? You know what? What did we start with? Did you see the cans?
No.
Okay, so the cans actually had peaches in them.
Ew.
So peaches are a sweet fruit, and we actually grow them here in Ohio. I don't know if these came from Ohio or not, but that's okay. And what we're doing is we're adding a yellow cake mix on top of it, and that yellow cake mix is going to be kind of like the binding, so it's going to kind of bring it all together. So when we bring it all together, whoop, here, go this way back.
Block cheese.
This way, wait. Corner, there we go. There you go. Got to fill in the hole there. Cool. What it's going to do is it's going to bind all that juice together. It's going to bind up all the peaches, and it's going to make this cool dessert, nice and sweet.
My sister is allergic to peaches.
Well,
That's
then guess what?
lucky.
Your sister wouldn't be eating this.
Right?
What I don't like cheese.
Yep. All right, looks good, dear. Ready for the next step?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to put that in the bowl so we don't get it all over the place. Okay. Give you some room there. Nope, bowl. There you go. Awesome. Yes or no with knife capabilities? Okay, that's what I just made to make sure.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. All right. So I got to do some trimming here, and then you're going to be doing some placement here
Ooh,
in a
butter
second.
makes it really good.
Yep.
Okay.
Butter makes everything better, according to Paula Dean. And look at her; she makes millions of dollars. So she must know what she's talking about.
Yes, she does. You are going to get to try this after we bake it.
Okay. So now this is the tricky part. We're going to set these down. And we're going to do rows of 3 all the way down. Okay, so I'm going to give you your third one here. There's your third one. Okay. Go a little thicker here, maybe. There we go. Likes to jump. There you go. I really messed with you this time. I gave you a midget and a half. Mrs. Robinson, the only thing that we're gonna need to do differently next time,
Yeah.
don't soften your butter so much.
Don't soften it.
Yeah. If it's actually a little bit firmer, it actually works out pretty well. So. But my assistant's doing a fantastic job over here. Okay, we're gonna start the next pan then. Same thing, stacks of 3.
Dang.
Whoops, got it. Why don't you give my lovely assistant a round of applause over here? She's doing phenomenal on her own. I looked up, make sure she's doing what she needs to be doing, and I just keep trucking, so that's a good thing.
I'm afraid you both are gonna quit your day job and go traveling.
You know what? I'm okay with that. I'm definitely okay.
No,
You ready to
we
cook
missed
with me
this
all day long?
year.
Does that sound fun? Maybe we should go up to the high school and make like big quantities of these. And then we ship them back to the building. That would be fun. What do you think?
No,
Okay.
cook.
I think we're gonna have to talk to food service and see if we
Hey,
can
no.
do big quantities.
No.
Does anybody know why
Hey.
Mr. Hamker is in here making this with us? What is this for? Yes, it's for your bellies, but who else?
People
People who?
in our school,
Like who?
Teachers or students?
teachers.
Ding, ding, ding.
And why do the teacher, what do the teachers do with this? When do the teachers get it? How do the teachers get it?
Because they've been doing good.
Well, I'm sure we're doing good, but
What do we do on Friday mornings? There's a cart that goes around.
what do you deliver to the
Sean,
teachers?
do you know?
Sean? What? Card.
What's on the cart that you guys deliver?
Coffee!
Oh, okay. And what usually goes with coffee?
People.
Yep. And what do we usually like? If we're drinking coffee, we also want something
To eat.
sweet to eat. So if you guys remember, you guys usually make Rice Krispie treats, you make brownies, you make all kinds of fun stuff.
Yeah.
So this one's a new alternative. And then we could also mess with them a little bit more. If you really want to make it really cool, you turn around and you add whipped cream to the top when it comes out. Ooh,
Oh.
really cool.
Oh.
All right, we're gonna add a few more pieces back to this one, okay?
We should make stuff for homework.
You did a phenomenal job on that one.
Mr. Ham.
I don't know, Marty, if you can zoom in on this one, but she nailed that to the T. All right, so other things that need to happen. Ryan, behind you, if you can turn around and look back, what's that big white thing called?
Ryan, right behind you.
What is this?
Do you remember?
Is it a sink or an oven?
There you go, fantastic, that is right. So Mrs. Robinson already did us a favor, and she put our oven on to 350. There you go. And what we're gonna end up doing with that is, we're gonna end up baking these. And then once it's done, it's 30 minutes. So we get to, if we were really fun, we could watch the magic thing go, and 30 minutes it's done. And then what do you guys get to do? What do you think?
I don't know.
What do you want to do in 30 minutes?
Chase you.
You can chase me? That would be kind of fun, yes. In 30 minutes, I will be in my room. You would probably have to chase me down at that point. So you are going to turn around and you guys are going to get to eat, but not right afterwards, because guess what? When it comes out of the oven, it's going to be super hot. So do we want to burn our mouths? No. We want it when it's just a little bit warm. So Miss Robinson or somebody will be pulling it out of the oven for you and turning around and doing what? Setting it out so it cools down, and then they'll cut it and serve it. Okay? Are you ready? Which one do you want to put in the oven?
Can I
That
get a
one?
picture of you? two
Sure.
real quick?
Okay, hold on. Look that way.
Hold your
Big
arm.
smiles. Cool. Okay. Double hands. Great. Ask Mrs. Robinson, could you please open that for me? And go right around here.
Mr. Hamker, next time we should make like food for homeless people.
Well, that'd be nice. We'll see what we can do. Baby steps at this
I'll
point.
take it, okay. Thank you. You want to close the oven, Lydia?
Fantastic.
How long do I bake it for? Do you remember what he said?
30.
30 minutes, good.
You know what? She's doing wonderful. She's remembered this recipe. You know what might even be more fun? We might have her do the whole next blurb all by herself.
Wow.
We could give her another ingredient and you make it the exact same way all over. How's that
And
sound?
repeat that recipe
All right.
for the next couple weeks.
Perfect.
I like that.
How about we do this? Next one, I'm gonna have you take this one back. Same place, but it's not going in the oven, it's going on top of the oven instead. All right, questions that you have for me? Questions? So, there's different varieties you can make with this. You said your sister is allergic to peaches.
Yeah.
So guess what we could do instead?
I don't like peaches either.
Okay, well guess what? Try this one before you say, I don't like it. So here's another alternative that you could do. We actually have used canned cherries and then used a chocolate top. So you get like a chocolate covered cherry. You still do the same stuff on top. Everything else is still the same, but you changed some of your ingredients.
She loves
How about
cherries.
apples?
Ooh, apples.
Apples is our season of harvest coming in here. We can do canned apples, still do yellow cake on top, still do the butter, and then get the apple effect.
She loves apples.
There you go. All right, so you gotta do me a favor. This is the cool part as the chef. I get to hand these off to you. Guess what you get to do? Take them to the sink. That's the downfall of being a cook's assistant. All right, we are all good?
Can we give him, Mr. Swedish Chef, a round of applause?
No problema.
Thank you so much.
Not a
This was
problem.
fun.
Another one coming your way.